How to get Gemini API Key for free. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google and then search Gemini API. Then click on Gemini Developer API, which is the first option. Make sure it's Google's official website. Then, in here, scroll down and then click on Explore Models in Google AI Studio. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Get API, or you'll find Get API Key at the top. Click on it. And then, if you scroll down in here, you will find your API key. As you can see, API key is below API key. And if you want to create your own, press on Create API Key at the top. And then select your project and your API key will be created. This is how to get Gemini API Key for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.